We embraced the retro vibe of the Z1 and designed a special quiet exhaust system just for the Z900RS. The front exhaust pipe has a big banana-style design for a retro look. The hidden oxygen sensor interface brings back the Z1's feel. The matte black shell fits the bike's lines perfectly, with a solid one-piece design that prevents air leaks and includes a back pressure silencer in its simple tube structure. The sound stays together. The sound waves don't increase, they deepen. It retains the engine's pure mechanical feel.